All right, 1957 Lincoln Premier. The power seats, they were a little bit messed up to begin with. Some of the functions didn't work, some of them did, and I guess the biggest problem was, first off, there's a bunch of little mechanical nuts that spin, or the solenoid's supposed to grab the nut in the center and then move the nut along that turning shaft. And what I was finding is that I guess there was a bunch of buildup of gum and stuff like that on the shaft, so there was building too much friction to the point where the nut would not spin, or even though the solenoid grabbed, there was too much friction and the nut would not move on the shaft. So I sprayed a bunch of carburetor cleaner and I moved the nuts back and forth manually from the full travel of these stop pins. If you look there, there's a little stop pin back and all the way to the other stop pin, back and forth a couple of times, and then I sprayed some WD-40 to lubricate it, and then finally it started moving. Then I was noticing that the seat mechanism, everything worked except for the up and the back position. So I started suspecting that the switch was faulty, and instead of rebuilding it, I found one on eBay brand new in the box, so I just swapped it out just now, and now it all works. So if I go, okay, that's at the full travel. This is bringing down the whole seat. See, it goes all the way down. That's the full stop on the bottom, and as you can tell here, when you go up, then everything is all interlinked, so everything all kind of moves together. And then there's the full top, and then if I do there's the forward movement of the seat, and then the backward movement of the seat also, and then the tilts, tilt upward here, tilt downward. Let me remove that stupid screwdriver so it doesn't short out the relay. And then let's see, there's the back tilt, and it's tilting back up again. And then you've got your front tilt, which tilts down and then tilts all the way back up again. So as you can see, there's a little bit of different things going on here. I think the biggest problem was trying to figure out how those solenoids go inside of the cradle. There was a bunch of different ways, and I finally figured it out. My friend Bob Hardesty sent me some pictures, and I also got some diagrams from the shop manual and stuff like that, so I was able to get it all working again. So the project can now move on.